on the auspicious occasion of Independence Day, we all have assembled here to pay our homage to all our great patriots who have sacrificed their life to free our motherland from the bondage of British rule. Only by paying homage to our patriots, we can put a full stop in our duty. Now, our country, India, is undergoing in some undesirable changes. But I don't want to discuss those things. I only want to say that, being a student of independent India, what is our duty towards our motherland at this juncture? Should we go and catch the terrorists? Or should we fight against our corrupted politicians? No, we are not expected to do all these things. We will have our own day. But before that, let us do our duty of preparing ourselves to be a well-educated citizen of tomorrow. Let us do our duty sincerely and study hard to achieve our goal. Our former President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, taught the children of this nation to dream to build a strong nation with aim and perseverance. This is not the war of a single man. This is the war of 1 billion souls. Today, we require youngsters with a lot of knowledge and energy. Illiteracy is the first enemy of a democratic nation. So let's get rid of illiteracy and take our country India to a greater height. Thank you all. Hail India. Jai Hind.